Okay, Mocha and Nico's litter. And they are about 7 weeks old. Yeah, 7 weeks old. Call them over to you because they're on my feet. Oh my gosh. You're crazy monsters. Oh my gosh.
Ow, they're scratching me. They're biting my hair.
Okay, well.
Ow. Oh. Whoa.
Okay, that's the girl with all the white. Kate, that's your girl right there. And actually, that is the other girl, Diane, yours right there next to her. Climbing right here.
They're ripping my pants. Well, technically my baby.
The two girls up top there.
Ah, he's biting the bottom. Ow! Ow! They're scratching me.
And red collars. Oh, red collar is grabbing the shorts. Oh my gosh, they just don't sit still.
Look, grass. Oh, ow! Wait.
Alright, you can sit up and hold them so I can see their faces.
You weren't licking me in the face.
Okay. Okay, grab Blue right there.
Where?
Right there. Oh, missed him. Okay, the girl right there. Okay, Kate, this is your girl. Oh, yeah, right. Sit still, little girlie.
There we go.
Yeah. Grab that guy right here. Okay, here's Red. Hi, Red. Hi, Red boy. Red boy. Okay. Here, Blue boy. Blue. Ah. Okay, who's that? Is that a girl or that's a boy? All right. Does he have a collar on?
No.
Okay, so this is no collar boy.
What was that? What? Is that a heron?
No, it's a raven, I think. Okay. Who's that one? Here, yeah, grab that one.
I think
is that
we
a girl?
did this
Yeah.
guy.
Okay, here's the girl, Diane. Let me see her face. Okay. And we did Red, we did Blue, we did the girl. Where's
We didn't do this guy, right?
Blue?
Oh, we
didn't do Blue?
We did do Blue.
We did Blue? Okay.
Oh, wait, no, I didn't. I didn't get a chance
yeah,
to grab
that's
him.
right. You didn't do Blue. Okay. Here's Blue collar. Blue collar. Blue collar. Blue collar. Oh, puppy, stop jumping on me. Okay. Oh my gosh, you guys are the crazy ones. So you can see the difference between just little babies that do nothing to 7 weeks old and they're crazy. Okay, call them to me because they're like...
Ow, my ear! Ow, my ear!
Cover up your ears.